Have a rip, tear, or burn mark in your vinyl or leather? Pro Vinyl and Leather Repair is your solution. Whether it's an insurance claim, commercial or residential, restaurant or office, at Pro Vinyl and Leather Repair, we've got you covered. We specialize in marine vinyl and leather repair, including boat seats and interiors, automobile vinyl and leather repair, recreational vehicles, snowmobile seat repair, airplane interiors, plus all kinds of furniture repair from restaurant and office furniture to couches, love seats and chairs. People have counted on and trusted Pro Vinyl and Leather Repair since 1992. If you want quality workmanship and fast, friendly mobile service, visit our website at www.provinylrepair.com or give us a call today at area code 705-323-4398. That's 705-323-4398. We service the areas of Simcoe County and York Region, including Muskoka, Barrie, Orillia, Midland, Penetang, Bracebridge, Gravenhurst, Alliston, Bradford, Borden, Angus, Stayner, Collingwood, Elmville, and Newmarket, Ontario. At Pro Vinyl and Leather Repair, we've got you covered.